Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the candle counter indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the candle counter indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 313 indicators, and out of those 313 indicators, 127 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 127 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the candle counter indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And the creator of this indicator didn't really give any specific way that this should be traded or used to take trade signals. And so I had to improvise just a little bit. And what I've done is I've added two lines to it. You can see the black lines here on top and on bottom. These are set at a 5.5 coordinate. On top is 5.5. On bottom it is negative 5.5. You can see there. And basically what this indicator does is it is counting the last 10 bars. So each bar looks 10 bars back and is counting how many green bars and how many red bars are within that 10 bars back. And then the higher number of green bars is the higher green it reaches up. The higher number of red is the higher red bar it reaches down. And so basically what we're doing is we're looking for when a green bar crosses up above the black line, that is going to be a signal to go long. When we get a red bar that crosses down below the black line here, that will be a signal to go short. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Looks like we get our first signal right there on that one. And looks like, let me measure that out a little bit better here. There to there. Doesn't quite make it to the 60 pips that we're looking for, or I'm sorry, the 70 pips actually in this particular case. And so that would have been first trade and a losing trade. Same deal over here. We get a signal to go long, but unfortunately almost immediately turns around and drops down on us. Then we pick up a short over here on this side, and that one does work out for us. We'll continue to play this forward here. Looks like we pick up a long over here on this side, and I believe that one would have gotten us to take profit. So there to there. Yep, that one got us to take profit. And then we pick up another long over here on this side right there. And that one also got us to take profit. So far, not too bad. Continue to play it forward here. We get another pop over here on that one. And let's measure this out here. Looks like that does get us to take profit. And a drop over here to this side. So when we actually got to this one, actually let me double check here just to be safe. Yeah, we would have been in the trade already when these other signals took place. And so we will ignore those other signals. It's all just one. All right, we're down here on the short side here. Looks like we squeezed out take profit. Double check. Yep, we sure did. So another winning trade there. And then on the close of this one here, we actually pick up a long signal, and we can see that one gets us to take profit as well. So we are doing rather nicely. Right here, I'm going to cut the video out so that way it doesn't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we get a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are almost to the end of the year now. Let's go ahead and finish up these last couple signals. See what we get out of this. All right, there's a short signal right there. That one does come down pretty nicely, getting us to take profit. There's a long signal right there. That one is not going to work out for us. That one gets us stopped out. We pick up a short over here on this side. Again, that one does get us to take profit. And looks like one more short right there on that one. And again, that one gets us to take profit. All right, so before we add these up and take a look at all of them, now would be a good time to say that if you are looking to excel your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or even an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. To do that, you need to be a patron of ours. Join our Patreon, super duper cheap, doesn't cost much at all. On our Patreon only channel, we're given a lot of great advanced advice and information on really how to take your trading to the next step, the next level. So like I said, if you're a new trader and you're really looking for a great way to excel or to get your footing in the market, it's a great place to be. Like I said, a lot of great information, and there are admins and quite a few of the other members are also posting regular trade ideas, and so they're really outlining those perfect market conditions that you should be looking for, or the ideal market conditions you should be looking for to really dial in a trading strategy, or just to get an eye for the market conditions that work best for growing an account rather quickly. They are, like I said, quite a few of them, and there are admins and quite a few of the other members are growing small accounts rather quickly, and they're posting not only trade ideas but also screenshots of kind of the profits that they're getting from some of these trades. And so as well as there is a list of a lot of the winning indicators that we have here that we've tested here on the channel. we have a list of a lot of them for the MT platforms as well. And so, like I said, it's just a really great place to be, a really wonderful positive energy and positive advice and people in there. So awesome place to be involved. Like I said, whether you're a new member or even an advanced trader, just trying to be around like-minded people, maybe want to bounce some ideas off of, that is the place you'll want to be. All right, so back to the indicator here at hand. We have, let's see here, zoom in on this here. Let's count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So we have 28 signals all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we get 17 winning trades. That will push us right over that 60% win rate that we are looking for. All in all, this indicator is not too bad. A little bit of an over trader. Does kind of throw trades in both directions just to kind of see what sticks, but not too bad. Not a horrible indicator by no means. So this one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.